Please support our channel by hitting that like button and consider subscribing. Got this back from the machine shop. Their estimate was $2,500 to fix this. The wheel was walled out pretty badly. We're not going to spend that kind of money on it. It's unfortunately going to be a shade tree fix. The pin is worn on the one side of it. The pin is not available from Yanmar. Apparently it's out of stock. It's too old a machine. The only alternative for the pin is to have a machine shop build one. Big thank you to a special person at our local Yanmar dealer. She went the extra mile to find all the repair parts to repair this thing. The areas that hold the seal on the two arms on either side of the wheel have some damage to them, but actually the seal will fit pretty good on it. One alternative is for me to weld up the wheel myself to get those bushings to fit correctly. The downside to that is without a lathe it's hard to get them centered. However, this wheel rolls really slowly. It's just a tracked vehicle and they don't go that fast. So it may not be such a big issue as long as I can get the seals and the bushings close enough that it's not going to take the seals out. Require a lot of welding to build that back up. If I elect to do it that way, it's shade tree mechanicking. Remember our motto, get off your ass and do something.